Coffee production industry is a $10 billion industry. 167 million 60 kg bags of coffee were consumed in 2021, and you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per day from this coffee niche as an affiliate. For that, go to this website affiliate-program.amazon.com. Use this sign up button, and in 3 steps, you will become an Amazon affiliate. If you search with coffee machine, all the coffee machines are expensive items, but people buy them a lot. And every coffee machine owner keeps buying coffee beans or ground coffee. Make simple videos using image, text, or using your phone camera. Publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and drive your viewers to your affiliate link. And once someone buy from you, you get 1% to 10% affiliate commissions from Amazon. Super simple and legit. But the problem is, it's very hard to sell a lot of these machines and make $1,000 to $5,000 a day at this commission rate. And this is why we choose to use a simpler, easier, and more beginner-friendly 95% done for you system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 per sale commission. For more details, check the first comment and the bio. Let's earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day just like us. But before that, let me show you an interesting website. If you upload an image on this website or paste the image URL, it will find you where else this image is used. Photographers and media creators use this kind of service to find who are using their media files without permission. And copyright infringement may cost you $750 to $30,000 plus attorney fees, all the way up to $150,000. You might be thinking, why would you use other people's images? In fact, we do use. For example, this video has got 10 million views. It is literally nothing but a background video and some text on it. Approximately 1 million clicks can be generated from this video, and from our experience, each click may earn from $1 to way up to $8. Theoretically, 1 million clicks equals $8 million. That's why sometimes people do it. So don't make mistakes. Use easy system just like us and make $1,000 to $5,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions. To know more about our system, detailed instruction is in the first comment and in the bio. This video has got 3,000 views showing where you can watch movies 100% free. 3,000 people learned how to waste their time instead of using 30 minutes of their time and earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day using 95% work done for you. More instruction in the comment and in the bio. Don't waste your valuable time. Don't ever make videos like this. Instead, make videos that help people, like make videos about coffee. You can review coffee machines. There are over 30,000 coffee machines on Amazon that you can promote in your videos. And all these high-ticket items will pay you a lot of commissions. But Amazon has a tiny little problem. They pay very low commissions, like from 1% to maximum 10%. But in our system, we earn $1,000 to $5,000 commissions. To learn more, check the first comment and the bio. Let's make $1,000 a day passive affiliate commissions. This video is showing get rid of belly pouch post-pregnancy. My question is, why is a man showing how to get rid of post-pregnancy belly pouch? Haha, I'm joking. He seems to be a health and fitness expert. They have a lot other helpful videos. And these videos make money. How do we know? Because we do it ourselves and we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. But there is one thing you must do. You see that little blinking, save, share, and follow for more? This is called call to action. Add a call to action in all your videos. It may be click a link in the comment, click a link in the bio, follow for more, like and share, and you should put your affiliate links somewhere so the viewers can click your links, because from our experience, each click earns us starting from 79 cents to way up to $8. And this way, from simple and helpful videos and in a much simpler system, we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. You can do it too. It's 95% done for you. For detailed instruction, check the comment and the bio. This video has got 10 million views. It's literally nothing but a royalty-free video in the background and text in the foreground. For us, 10% of our views equals clicks. And these clicks, from every click, we earn approximately $1 to $9. And that's how we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. If you want to make this kind of videos and learn our system, full instruction is in the comment and in the bio. But before you get excited, here is an important information you should know. Using images or videos without proper license or rights may cost you $750 to $30,000 plus attorney fees and even up to $150,000 penalty. The image creators use softwares like this that literally finds out where their images are used. So don't get caught. Use our simple, easy, and beginner-friendly and 95% done for you method to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Full instruction is in the comment and in the bio. You can earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day whether you have a decent voice or you don't. But in case you have a decent voice, here is an easy side hustle for you. Go to acx.com, find a book for your voice. Click compensation and choose the option you like. For this example, let's choose $400 to $1,000 per finished hour. Click apply and we have two books here. This one will finish in approximately $11.5. So you will earn minimum $4,600 to $11,500 for reading one book loud. It's simple but not really easy. You must have a decent voice, recording tools, studio quality, editing skills. But whether you have those skills or not, you can still earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day using our simpler, easier, and beginner-friendly 95% done for you system. For full instruction, check the first comment and the bio. You can become an investor using your voice without using money and make thousands of dollars. But at the end of the video, you will learn how to earn $1,000 per day. But let's use voice first. Go to acx.com, click find a book for your voice, choose compensation and select royalty share. Click apply, sort by Amazon sales rank. Now this book is already selling. Record this book, turn it into an audiobook using your voice. They will share royalty with you and you will earn money. Of course, if you choose, you can choose to accept cash compensation as well, but you still need a good voice, professional recording, and editing. But if you don't have those skills, you can use our simple, easy, and beginner-friendly way to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions with 95% done for you. Check the full instruction in the comment and in the bio. You can earn up to $10,000 for losing weight using healthywage.com. Click the get started button, decide your price range, how much weight you want to lose, in how much time. However, as a commitment, you have to make a bet. Now, personally, I don't know whether this is halal or not. I am just showing you the app, and at the end of the video, I will show you something halal. But once you hit your goal, you will earn money from this app up to $10,000. When you hit your goal and win the challenge, remember to record your process in the form of video series and publish your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and turn yourself into a weight loss expert or weight loss influencer. You will get thousands, if not millions of followers, and you can sell weight loss products from ClickBank to your followers as an affiliate. Well, this is one of the most legit ways of making money online, but honestly, it's not that easy. We use an easier, simpler, and beginner-friendly system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day per sale as an affiliate with 95% work done for you. To learn more details, check the instruction in the first comment and in the bio. Let's make $1,000 a day using this 100% free app, because this application Dare Be is a non-profit free. It will help you learn exercises. So step number 1, learn from here. Step number 2, make your own exercise videos, publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Build millions of followers and promote ClickBank weight loss affiliate offers to them. It's simple, but honestly not easy. Takes a lot of time, effort, hard work, but it's the most legit way of earning money online. But if this sounds like a lot of work to you, then I have a good news. We use a simpler, easier, and more beginner-friendly way to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. To know more details and get my AI application free to start, check the instruction in the first comment and in the bio.